Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Corner, your one-stop destination for exploring the smartest AI tool and latest tech innovation. If you have ever found yourself searching for the perfect AI tool, whether it's for content creation, productivity, research, or just pure fun, then today's video is going to be a game changer for you. We are diving deep into Toolify.ai, a massive directory packed with over 26,000 AI tools across hundreds of categories. Imagine having all the best AI website in one place, easy to search, easy to compare, and updated daily. From ChatGPT, alternatives to design generators, from coding assistants to research boards, Toolify.ai has it all. First, let's log into Toolify.ai. As soon as you are in, you will see a clean dashboard with thousands of AI tools, all organized by category. It's simple, fast, and ready to explore. So stick around till the end because I am also going to share my top picks that you can start using right now for free. Alright, let's jump straight into the future of AI discovery with Toolify.ai. On the left side, you will find all the AI categories neatly organized, making it super easy to explore. There is chatbots and virtual companions for AI assistants, office and productivity tools to work smarter, image generation and editing for stunning visuals, art and creative design to bring ideas to life, coding and development for programmers, and video and animations for storytellers. You also get education and translation, writing and editing, voice generation, business management, AI detection, marketing and advertising, music and audio, research and data analysis, social media and legal finance. Whatever you are looking for, Toolify.ai has a category for it. For example, let's say you open the chatbots in virtual companions category. Right away, Toolify.ai will display all the AI tools related to that categories in a clean, scrollable list. Each tool has its own card showing the name, a short description, and key details. When you click on any tool, it instantly takes you to the official website, so you can start using it right away. No extra searching needed. The best part is Toolify.ai also highlights which tools are completely free, so you don't waste time signing up for something paid. It even gives useful details like how many chats or conversations you can have per day or what limitation each free plan has. This makes it super easy to compare tools and pick the one that works best for you. That's it for today's tour of Toolify.ai, your one-stop directory for discovering the best AI tools out there. From chatbots to coding helpers, from marketing tools to creative design, everything you need is just a click away. If you want to try it yourself, I have left the link in the description, or you can go to Toolify.ai right now and start exploring. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.